Hi miniature friends, let's do Tonecheer's 3D Puzzle Booknook Kit. This is Beast and Beauty. I'm very excited because this is the first kind of booknook that I've done that has like a mechanics within it. I've done a wood puzzle that was like a solar system. I'll show you a picture of the one that I did. That was, though, very much wood on wood, and it never quite worked correctly, and it was a fair amount of years ago. So I think that they've since perfected that, the laser cutting and all of that. So let's get started. I'm excited to see how this goes. Maybe we don't want scissors, maybe we want our blade. Let's at least just show what's in the box and get it all open. Let's see. Come on. There we go. All right. So, instrucciones. Very pretty. Oh, it looks really pretty. I'm excited. Floor testing, blah, blah, blah. Functional test. And then it's typical, just pictures and pretty straightforward. So we'll look more at that as we go along, of course. Here's sandpaper, specialty pieces. Come out. You want to lift you? You need to come out? Come. Strong arm it. All right. So there's all of the wood pieces, and looks like the stained glass window. Ooh, what's that? Oh, that must be for her dress. And then all of the mechanics. This is much more complicated than some of the other stuff I'm doing. This is for the rose thing. That's actually the second time I've used one of those little things, but we'll just keep that in there for now. We've got, let me put these in our little bins here. Oh, they give you a, oh, see, that's the evil wax stick to make the wood pieces go. So I don't know, this looks more robust than the mechanics that I had. The mechanics that I had on the last one were just almost like music box mechanics. So this at least looks a little bit more robust. So fingers crossed that will work. And this, guys, and oh, crystals. Ooh, pretties, very pretties. All right, I don't know if we're going to use that right away or not, but that's right there. Let's see what we get out of this guy. Garage. I assume this has a thing above it that's going to slide. Scrape off. We'll get to that when we get to it. These little stickies. And there. And here's all the wood pieces. Side. So we'll have to decide how much we want to edge paint or markers. I usually have these little markers for edge painting. I've got a couple of different browns depending on the cut of the wood, original color of the wood. And we'll see how much actually needs to be glued, because I've yet to do one that doesn't need even just a little bit of glue. So yeah, yay, let's get started. Okay, I'm already irritated because I was reading like the little English instructions, and it says wave the magic wand at the receiver. I'm like, what? Magic wand? There's a magic wand? What do you, oh my god, there's a magic wand. So I start looking through everything. I'm like, Magic wand. What's it? What is the magic wand? What's that? I don't know. Like, then it even like references, you know, magic wand mode, blah blah blah, and then of course it says magic wand mode. Magic wand requires separate purchase. I'm like, really? Don't tell me there's a magic wand. If there's not a magic wand, now I want a magic wand. Oh, well, there's not a magic wand, I guess. So we'll just put the batteries in the case and be done with it. I'm trying not to be bitter because now I want a magic wand. Dang it. All right. Here's my glasses. All right, so 3 double A's. What, Meryl? No, we're not having snackies yet. Too early for snackies. Okay, so what are we testing here? That's how I'm going to do 300 direction, close the battery cover, power off. Touch switch mode, which is, what's the touch switch? Before testing, keep your hands dry during the test. Test it. Insert 3 AA's in the battery compartment in the direction and close the battery cover. Turn the power switch in the on position on the far left and check whether light, board, and headlight are always on and whether the small light is flashing. Nothing's happening. Oh, okay, so there something's going. Okay, there we go. Sometimes it's weird. My Giverny garden one was kind of like that too, like where I turned it on and it didn't make sense, and then I turned it farther and it turned it back, and then it went. So this, I don't know. Oh, music. Okay. It's going. See through. Okay. Oh, these are the little things to check whether. Okay. Touch the C3 switch. Okay, that's the touch screen. It just takes a minute. Oh, I must be touching it when I'm trying to touch it. Oh, okay, that's why. So touch it twice to turn off everything, and then turn on everything, and then turn it off. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, Lordy, okay. Yes, and then it says magic wand testing, but we don't have a flippin' magic wand, so there it is. They don't come out easily. And this is my kind of beat up X-Acto knife. Not my nice one. Dang, these do not come out easily. Okay, C8, C22, okay, 27. So I'll show you once how I do the corners, or the nubs here. I just kind of shave them off. Because if you don't, things might not line up and kind of fit tightly, which kind of sucks. I kind of wish it didn't. We didn't have to do that. I wish they just cut them free of the wood, and then give us a guide as to what pieces are what, you know what I mean? But that's an old school way of doing miniatures. So yeah, I don't use the sandpaper. I found that takes off too much. This one goes in this way. 22 goes in there. What, honey? Get in there. Try to make sure everything is flush. Okay. And then 35. Looks like it's saying to flip it over, but you're not flipping it over. You're doing it like that. Let's put that in the inside. Okay. I need my little hammer. Well, it's 9:30. I'm not going to be able to bang things super loudly. Ow. Okay, that hurt. Let's get that back in there. Yeah, those, okay, I mean, this went to the front here, but that it's only this that connects the front piece, it looks like. Oh, and these two little thingies that stick up. There we go. And that guy right there. Okay. And that's step 2.